Picture this: she barely looks at your messages, says she's busy when you ask her out, and treats you like background music. You've tried being nicer, more available, and somehow she's even less interested. Today I'm revealing why everything you think about making women miss you is completely backwards, and the psychological trigger that actually works. Here's the brutal truth most men refuse to accept. The harder you chase someone who's not interested, the more you confirm their suspicion that you're not worth their romantic attention. Think about it. In her mind, there's zero scarcity around you. Your attention costs nothing because it's always available. You're not rare or exclusive, you're just noise. She's drowning in male attention from social media, dating apps, and guys in her daily life. Every man is pushing himself into her awareness, and your efforts just blend into that sea of desperation. Her brain protects itself by filtering you out entirely. She's not rejecting you because you lack value, she's indifferent because you've given her no reason to notice what makes you different. Human psychology is wired to notice contrast.
We ignore what is common and crave what is rare.
When your attention is abundant, it becomes worthless. But here's the paradox that changes everything. The moment she feels your absence, she'll notice the void you leave behind. That's when curiosity starts working in your favor. Before I reveal the exact method, hit that like button if this is already hitting home. What's coming next will completely shift how you think about attraction. The first move is the hardest for most men: disappear from her front row. Not in a petty, dramatic way with angry announcements. Just vanish from her everyday life. No constant texts, no likes on her posts, no showing up as her backup plan. Stop viewing her stories and reacting to her pictures. In our digital world, disappearing from her online space is often more noticeable than physical absence. This creates what psychologists call a pattern interrupt. Your name vanishes from her notifications, that familiar background noise is gone, and human brains hate unfinished patterns. But here's where most guys fail completely. They disappear and then sit home sulking, refreshing her social media. That's not attractive, that's pathetic.
Your absence can't look anti.
You need to build a visible, full life.
Friends, hobby, fitness, travel, new experience, fresh energy.
When she sees your life moving forward without her, two thoughts hit instantly. First, wow, he's actually fine without me. Second, wait, who is he spending all that time with? That second thought is pure gold because it's the beginning of curiosity. Layer in authentic social proof. Post moments that naturally include other people, especially women.
Don't force it or pose ou étrangère juste for jalousie.
Authenticity always wins over manipulation. Here's something most guys completely miss: memory triggers. Inside jokes, unique references, certain songs, scents, or phrases tied specifically to you. When she encounters these again, you pop back into her mind without lifting a finger. Add intellectual stimulation to the mix. Share perspectives that expand her thinking, interesting ideas, skills she doesn't possess. When you're gone, she won't just miss your attention, she'll miss how you made her mind work differently. When the time comes to re-emerge, do it strategically. Not after 2 days or when she sends that first "Hey stranger" text. Wait long enough for her to genuinely feel your absence. 2 to 6 weeks, depending on your previous communication frequency.
Come back better than before.
More confident, more focused, more physically fit. No explanation, no apology, just the energy of someone who's been living exceptionally well. That's how you transform indifference into genuine intrigue. When you execute this correctly, it's not just about her missing you. You become the kind of person nobody forgets. I know. When you're interested in someone, everything tells you to give more and prove your worth. But that's exactly what kills attraction. You must step back, not to play games, but to build a life so rich and magnetic that whether she's interested or not, you're winning either way.